So here's the butcher's block table. I picked it up off Facebook Marketplace at the weekend. It was only £5. Amazing. It was only 15 minutes away from me. I couldn't believe the price when I saw it, that someone was getting rid of it for that. If you look online, I mean, this is solid wood. It's a really good thick wood. They go for £150 upwards, so really pleased with this. It's actually in really good condition already. But what I'm going to do is give it a sand down, put some butcher's block oil on it, and get it back to its former glory.
So the top had a fair few marks on it. There were grease marks, some deep cuts, crayons, etc. So I knew I had to give this a fair few passes with the sander to get them all off. So this is after about 2-3 passes with the sander. It was starting to come out well, but there was still a fair few marks on it and some deep cuts. The biggest problem actually was the grease. It kept clogging up my sanding pads. So I went through about 3 pads just doing the top, but it did come out well. So this was after I think 4 or 5 passes with the sander. I was really happy with the outcome. I managed to get all the cuts out, all the stains, and to be honest, it was starting to look like new again. My attention then turned to the legs and the shelves. They were in pretty rough condition as well, so I decided to detach everything from the top and sand each piece down individually, starting with the legs. So after I finished sanding all the pieces, I then turned my attention to adding butcher's block to all the surfaces. So this was a very cheap oil from Amazon. It only cost £10 a bottle. It worked really well actually. It really brought all the pieces back to life again. It was a simple process with a rag, just going corner to corner and making sure the whole top was covered.
So I deconstructed the butcher's block table, sanded down all the individual pieces. It's come out really nice, and I've applied a first coat of butcher's block oil to it. So what I'm going to do now is put it all back together again.
So this was the before picture. As I've gone through, there was quite a few knocks on it. The top was quite badly battered. There were some deep cuts, lots of grease on it. So, you know, we've been through the whole process. And now for the after.
So here we go, here's the after. I've applied 2 coats of the butcher's block oil now, and it's looking absolutely fantastic. As I mentioned earlier, I managed to get off all the stains from the top, all the cuts, all the grease came off as well, so it's looking absolutely fantastic now. The legs as well, as I said, I sanded every part of this, and it's looking absolutely fabulous, and I can't wait to add it to the kitchen now and get using it. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you like this one, please subscribe, and I look forward to creating a few more videos in the future. Goodbye.